Best single door refrigerator. Number 5. Haier 175 liter 2-star single door refrigerator. Approx price 12,490 rupees. Diamond Age freezing technology. Capacity 185 liters. Suitable for families with 2-3 members. Energy rating 2-star. Topped glass shelf. Number 4. Godrej 180 liter 4-star direct cool single door refrigerator. Approx price 14,690 rupees. Capacity 180 liters. Suitable for a small family. Energy efficiency 4-star. Jumbo vegetable tray. Made with toughed glass. Turbo cooling technology. 10 years comprehensive warranty. 1 year comprehensive warranty. Number 3. LG 185 liter 5-star inverter direct cool single door refrigerator. Approx price 16,990 rupees. Capacity 185 liters. Suitable for families with 2-3 members. Energy rating 5-star. Best in class efficiency. Smart inverter compressor. Shelf type toughed glass with frame. Stabilizer free operation. Warranty 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Number 2. Whirlpool 184 liter 3-star direct cool single door refrigerator. Approx price 12,990 rupees. Insulated capillary technology. Capacity 184 liters. Suitable for a small sized family. Energy rating 3-star. Stabilizer free operations. 1 year product warranty and 10 year compressor. Number 1. Samsung 183 liter 2-star digital inverter direct cool single door refrigerator. Approx price 13,490 rupees. Capacity 183 liters. Suitable for families with 2-3 members. 2-star energy efficiency. Digital inverter compressor. Topped glass shelves. 1 year comprehensive warranty on the product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.